To send an email using a Capsule CRM, it's essential to understand the benefits and the process. For online businesses, switching between different programs can be time-consuming and annoying. Sending emails directly from the CRM can simplify tasks. The process begins on the home screen of the Capsule CRM, where the email account or Gmail must be connected. If this step hasn't been completed, it's necessary to do so before proceeding. Once the email account is connected, click on the person icon on the top left of the home screen to access all contacts in the CRM. Select the desired contact, and more information about them will be displayed. To send an email, look for the Send Email button. When composing the email, type in a subject line, and add a CC or BCC if needed. The message can be typed in, and attachments or links can be added. The process is similar to setting up a regular email. When ready, click the Send button at the bottom left. The email is sent immediately, with no delay, just like a regular email. This method simplifies sending emails directly from the Capsule CRM, making it an efficient way to manage online business communications.